Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to reply to a specific DM chat on Instagram. So this isn't going to be like a normal reply. It's actually going to reply directly to the message that you want to reply to. It's actually really simple and easy to set up. All you have to do is go over to your Instagram. Just make sure you're updated to the new messenger on Instagram. And to do that, just make sure you go to your app store and make sure that the application is fully updated to the newest one. And then that, of course, that you're updated to the new Instagram messenger. I do have a video on my channel related to that if you guys need to learn how to do that. Otherwise, to set this up, you just want to go over to your DMs. So if I just go to my DMs here and just open up a chat, you guys will see this conversation I have with my main account right here. Now, all you have to do to reply to the exact message, if you just long press on the message that you want to reply to, and then this pop-up will come here where you see the emojis at the top, then you see reply in the bottom left corner. So you just want to click on reply. And then, as you guys can see right there, it says replying to myself to that specific message. So I can just put test, then click on send. And then you guys see right here, you replied. It shows their message and then your message right directly under it. So this is really cool if you want to talk to people about lots of different things at once. Obviously, you can then reply to certain messages, so it makes it a lot easier to see what you were replying to. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to do this on Instagram. If this video helped you guys out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.